All the clouds and all the birds, all the trees and out the house is so beautiful. Nature, we can't get a picnic or sit down by the trees. I don't know, but you can do it anyway. I don't care what you do, anything you wanna do. I just wanna see the nature with its beautiful eyes. I wanna see a little cloud saying hello. That will be so beautiful. That will be really perfect to me. All the flowers and all the plants, all the grass